Greg.
Judy?
I have a bone to pick with you, mister.
What's up?
Why are you ignoring me on Facebook?
What are you talking about?
I started a Facebook group for the people here at Renner Home Solutions. I invited you to join, and I was wondering why you haven't accepted the request yet.
We spend 9 awful hours a day together here, 5 days a week. Why would we need a way to communicate outside of that?
Yeah, I also sent you a fun quiz request. Did you do it yet?
Of course not.
You should. It'll tell you which Muppet Baby you would be if you were a Muppet Baby.
Why would that be something that I would want to know?
Apparently, I'd be Baby Gonzo. Big surprise, right? Cuckoo.
I'm not doing any of your queer quizzes, Judy.
Well, why are you even on Facebook if you're going to be a Grinch?
I got on Facebook for one reason and one reason only. To keep tabs on all of my ex-girlfriends and make sure that none of them are living more fulfilling lives than I am.
Are they?
Well, yeah, every one of them across the board, but that's not the point. The point is, I did not sign up for this thing to get harassed by every moron in this office.
Hey, Gregor. So, Greg, what's the deal? Is your computer on the fritz or what?
No. Why?
Because I've been poking you on Facebook all day. I poked you like 10 times. You haven't poked me back once.
What does that even mean? What is poking somebody?
You know, it's just like a poke, like a, hey, how you doing? Poke. Hey, I'm glad we're friends. I'm thinking about you. Poke.
All right. Okay, everybody, can I get your attention here for a second? We need to talk about Facebook abuse for a moment, okay? Now, I recognize that I am friends with many of you here in the office on Facebook, and believe me, I regret that deeply, and if I could take it back, I would. I don't know how to unfriend people. I haven't found that button yet, but we need to talk about some things that you're doing that piss me off. First of all, Kathy, please stop posting pictures of your goddamn grandkids. Nobody cares. And stop dressing them up like bumblebees. That's creepy. Same goes for those of you who own dogs. I don't want to see any more pictures of your dogs. Get a life. I don't want to be in anyone's mafia, okay? Marjorie, stop sending me invitations to go see your boyfriend's shitty punk band on weekends at some plaza bar. I'm not coming. I don't want to become a fan of thunderstorms. What does that mean? I don't care which Care Bear I would be. I don't want to play anyone at Scrabble. Stop pointlessly updating. I don't care that you wish you were still in bed or just had a BLT or can't wait for Friday. And all of you assholes need to stop poking me, because I'm still not sure what that fucking means, but I hate it. Are we clear? Are we clear?